So here's a motor from a Jeep Dream Dazzler's ride-on. We're going to put a heatsink and fan on it. So the first thing I did was took off the plastic motor cover. There's just some clips that you can just pop apart. Then there's a secondary metal sleeve, and that just comes off. And then the heatsink and fan just goes right over it. I positioned it over the slots in the motor, and that should be good. Now this particular fan runs at 5 volts, so I picked up these that go down to 5 volt. My motor is just a regular 550, but my battery is a DeWalt 20 volt, which is actually 18 volt. So this chip will go 6 to 32 volts and out to 5 volts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wire this to USB male A, and then this will go to my battery circuit. I'll have links in the descriptions for both of these items. Thanks for watching.